One of the things you're going to love most about JobExact is its ability to view job financials and give you a really accurate picture of exactly how your jobs are doing. Simply go into the job window, go to the financial section, and here you're going to get a list of all the income associated with the jobs, which are going to be all your approved proposals or change orders, any work order cost associated with the job that's been sent out, any material costs, so any purchase orders you've sent to suppliers, any miscellaneous expenses. What we find on jobs lots are there's lots of little trips to the lumberyard or other small expenses that never get accounted to a job, and any labor costs. This comes directly from your timesheets and pushes all of your employees' labor straight to the job, so you can see down to the minute how much time and money has been spent on a job and labor. For the miscellaneous expenses I was talking about, all of your crew will have the mobile phone app, which will have a cost input module, which is also available on the desktop. On their phone, they simply add a cost input, track it to the job that they want to, upload a copy of the receipt. This is going to populate the cost into the administrator page for them to approve it. You'll see it pops up here in the administrator page just for it to be reviewed to make sure everything is accurate. Once the administrator checks and makes sure everything is good, all the taxes are correct and everything else, they can simply approve the cost. You can now see that miscellaneous expense has been tracked directly to the cost and nothing is ever missed. These costs right now are based on the purchase orders that have been sent out, but quite often we found that purchase orders don't match the actual invoices that come in. So going back to your document section, you can click on the purchase order that was sent, and once you get the invoice, you can simply match it up and make sure it's accurate. You can also add an attachment that'll keep track of the actual purchase order invoice so you've always got in your system. Now that you've submitted it, you can go back and check your financial section, and highlighted in red you'll see you were expecting to pay $3,600, but when you actually got the invoice it was over $1,000 less. This can be the result of a problem or changes, but at least you have good visibility into what's going on. You'll also see that the badge has changed to green and is now completed as opposed to accepted. At the end of the day, this is going to give you an exact breakdown of where you're on your job as far as all your different expenses and your overall profitability. The best part about this is it all happens naturally. As you go through a job, you don't have to be adding or subtracting or trying to keep track of things. It's just always there in the background, counting how your jobs are doing.